How to sell a used mechanical road sweeper. When it comes to selling a used mechanical road sweeper, the best place to do this is on Truck and Trailer. It's advised that as much information is given as possible about the unit being sold, and information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping you to sell your machine. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, model, price, nature of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale, provide information regarding its past working life, detail its current working condition with reference to the road sweeper brush, the pipes and all the mechanisms, the water systems and storage containers where applicable, the rigidity of the chassis under operation, the controls and the degree to which they can be operated well, the tires and tread, the hours of use, and finally, the general condition of the unit. Providing this information to your potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying decision. It will also make for an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your trucks, machinery, and equipment on Truck and Trailer, South Africa's leading commercial marketplace for trucks, machinery, and equipment.